The most demanding applications in instrumentation, test, automation, control, and measurement require a programmable precision voltage source. The CN0531 is a complete solution for programmable 20-bit linear precision bipolar plus or minus 5-volt DC voltage sourcing. It includes a 20-bit DAC and a highly accurate 2 parts per million per degree Celsius 5-volt reference that is hermetically sealed, providing outstanding humidity resistance and low hysteresis. The CN0531's stable and precise voltage output provides an excellent combination of initial accuracy, precision, temperature drift, and low predictable noise performance. Easily control the CN0531 with common microcontroller and Linux development platforms. Precision out is only as good as precision in, so design your application with the CN0531.